Welcome back to Give It a Try with Rye. So it's Saturday afternoon and I have a small project that I've been trying to get done for about a year now, and I'm going to try to get it knocked out right now, and I'll show you what that is. So I bought this toolbox for the trailer a while back and I started to install it, and I was going to drill a hole right through there and then drill a hole through the C-channel frame here. But then I ran into an issue where there's a metal pipe under there for the wiring, and that prevented me from putting a nut under there. So what I decided to do is I'm just going to tap it. I'm going to actually tap the frame and just use the frame as my nut. I'm going to measure where I want these holes. This is about 1 1/4 inch, 1 3/8, and I'm probably going to go about 1 inch in. I think I'll do about 3 holes here. Try to get these right where there's not a ridge. I'll do the first one there. It looks pretty good for that one, so I'll try to reuse that. Actually, I'm not going to reuse that because the hole's too big, so I'll go right there and right there.
Like the other holes?
Well, those are the holes that I drilled previously into the frame.
Yeah.
So it's a 1/4 inch hole in the frame. I need to be smaller than that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Drilled straight through.
Yeah. Yeah, because I was originally going to put a nut.
Right. Gotcha.
So I've had a few carry-on trailers, and that's something new they started doing, where they have that metal pipe.
Oh, yeah.
there you have it. So we got 6 bolts with large washers on the inside holding it down. Tapped right into the frame. I put a little roofing tar under there. Squeeze out a little bit. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good night.